Should you sell in May and go away? Or are we gonna see some surprises this month in Bitcoin? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well today. I thought I'd shoot a quick video and talk about should you sell in May and go away. So if you're new to crypto, if you're new to trading, there's a very common thing in trading and in crypto where many people think that when we get to the month of May, that's the time that you take your profits, you kick back through the summer, you start back in September time. And that's when you get back in. That's when that's when markets usually will kind of have a big uptrend. Now, is that true? Is that the case? Well, the reality is it's about 50-50. So you cannot, got a nice plane above me here. You cannot always just say that May is going to be a month where you're going to dump. But the pullbacks traditionally in May have been quite significant, but we've also had some pretty nice uptrends in May. So the truth is you're about 50-50 if you're looking at Bitcoin. Now, why do we care about Bitcoin? Because altcoins follow Bitcoin. So let's talk about where we're at right now. Bitcoin has been testing the 95K, 95.7K or so resistance range. Resistance means that's the top of where the price is trying to go above. Now, the thing is to consider is we've had quite a significant pump in May, and usually when you have a pump you're going to have a nice retracement back, maybe even 50% back. So if we look at our charts here, if we look at our one-day chart on Bitcoin using the TCC trend indicator, you can see that we were trending down quite significantly into the red, and we've started to curve back up. But remember, crypto always moves in waves. Price is always moving in a wave. It goes up and down and up and down, and it's this volatility that we love. Remember, in the Crypto Code, we make money when price goes up, we make money when price goes down. We make money in both directions. I don't necessarily really care what the price of Bitcoin is. I'm just profiting on the moves, either long or short. So should you sell in May and go away? Well, I can't tell you exactly what to do. I can just show you the probability of what we see in the charts. And I do see probability of a pullback to some level. Maybe we're going to hit 91.5, 92. But if we break below about 91.5, we're going to go down to the next level. You'll probably see 88,000 and maybe even to the low 80,000s, which would be a really good thing because from there, most likely probabilities would have a nice bounce and then head back up to six-figure Bitcoin again, 100,000, maybe 103,000, and then we'll see from there. Now on the bearish side, it's very possible that we could break down from here and test those lower ranges of 80s, maybe even upper 70s. So I know you're saying, well, Joel, you're saying we could go either direction, and that's true. Now long term, it does look like that we are going to see some new highs this year sometime, whether it's in the next 30 days to 40 days, or if it's a little bit later this year. What I would say is this: remember, in profiting in crypto, it's time in the markets, not time in the markets. And again, remember, you can make money going both ways, both long and short. So just wanted to do a quick rundown of Bitcoin. I do lean a little bit more towards the bias of having this dip, and I do believe dips are for buying. Just remember to always never trade with more than you can afford to lose. If you know how to trade short, you can profit on the shorts as well. We teach that in the Crypto Code. So before I tell you where I'm at, let me just give you one thing. You can go to the link in this description. You can learn more about what we do here in the Crypto Code, and you can attend one of our workshops, watch the workshop, take a short quiz at the end. We'll pay you $10 in Bitcoin and give you a free weekly trade alert. Our trade alerts are almost at a 93% win rate, and we've been having phenomenal success with our students. So where am I right now? Right now I'm on the border of Bulgaria and Romania, and we are just about ready to jump on board this ship right here. This is the Viking River Cruise. We're actually going on a 21-day, if you can believe it, river cruise, and I just noticed they have Starlink on this cruise, so that is a really good sign. I will be able to upload videos throughout this whole trip. But we're going to get on this cruise and go for about 21 days. My wife and I do think we might be the youngest ones on this cruise, and which is great. We've already made some great friends from New Zealand, lots of great people on this cruise, so we're excited to go hang out with them. Let me get into the sunlight here a little bit. So we'll go ahead and I'll pan around here a little bit. There's nothing much here but the edge of where we get onto the ship here. But we're cruising all over the Danube and the Rhine, go all kinds of places. So throughout this whole trip, I'm gonna shoot videos. We're gonna talk about the markets. And then if you guys have questions for me, feel free to comment in the comments below, and I'll look at these comments and I will answer your questions. It could be any question about crypto. Maybe you're a member of the program and you have some questions, I'll cover that. Maybe you're considering joining the program, or you just have a question about altcoins or crypto in general and how to make money. Alrighty guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life, anything you do. We'll see you in another video. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.